Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad is up to date and apps you want on the dock are ready. Open Settings, tap Home Screen and Dock. Once there, you see Dock options. Alternatively, swipe up from the bottom to reveal the dock for immediate pinning. Make sure Slide Over and Split View aren't actively rearranging apps, because that changes what you can drag. Now, position the dock visible and prepare to add, remove, or rearrange app icons. This is the first actionable step. Now you perform the core changes. To add, touch and hold an app on the home screen until it lifts, then drag it to the dock. To remove, drag it upward off the dock. Once done, make sure to check Settings Home Screen and Dock for toggles like showing suggested and recent apps or allowing multiple rows. These settings affect how many icons appear and whether recent items show. If you want larger capacity, test with several apps and confirm gestures like swipe up still work smoothly. Finish by organizing icons in the dock in a logical left-to-right order and group similar apps into folders to maximize space. Once satisfied, press the home gesture or button and test launching apps from the dock. If the dock doesn't update or icons jump back, restart the iPad. If that fails, go to Settings General Reset Home Screen Layout. Also make sure no accessibility or multitasking gesture is interfering, and update iPad OS to resolve persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.